Parang
Opo.
it's nowhere, kung sakaling merong question sa infirmities ng impeachment, yung Supreme Court lang ang pwedeng magtanong doon. Not the Senate. Yun
Not
yung,
the Senate, but the Supreme Court. Dahil co-equal body po ito eh.
Yes.
Isa impeaching body, meaning filing the charges, isa trying. Now, kung may banggaan po ito, ang dalawang itong co-equal body, the House, the upper house and the lower house, ang talang final arbiter on a constitutional issue is our Supreme Court.
Yeah.
Pero attorney, ang sabi rin ni SP Chis Escudero, hindi sila co-equal body at this point because one is the impeachment court, the other one is the prosecutor. How do we interpret that po?
They can order the lower house.
Sorry for complicating things, pero how
mag-comply
should
na
we
lang
interpret
daw,
that?
sabi niya, mag-comply na lang kayo kasi inutusan namin kayo.
Well, again, I beg to disagree with the Senate President. Walang court, walang impeachment na ginawa po ang House. Yan po ay bali na sa Constitution po eh. May kanya-kanyang papel ang dalawang bodies na ito. Hindi lang po ang impeachment court, may papel po ang House. That's why po sa hearing, sila po yung prosecutors po eh. Judges po yung Senate. So to me, in fairness to everyone, when this was crafted as a constitution with the two houses, co-equal po ang tingin po namin eh. Walang mas superior kaysa sa isa. As a matter of fact, nanalo po ang bicameral sa CONCON of 86. May only one vote. Isang boto lang po eh. Kung yung isang boto nagbago po yun, what we have is a unicameral form of government. Not a bicameral. Isang boto lang po. Kaya nanalo po ang Senado po.
Kaninong boto yon?
May nagbago po sa hindi ko po malaala po kung sino po ang nag-isip. So, isang boto lang po at natalo po. Kaya one vote makes a majority po eh. Napakaraming isang boto po.